When coding, managing servers, or deploying applications, the terminal is the central hub of a developer's environment. Yet despite how rapidly our text editors, frameworks, and cloud utilities have evolved over the last few decades, traditional terminals have mostly stayed frozen in time. They still rely on decades-old conventions where mouse navigation is non-existent, command history is hard to navigate, and debugging errors requires constant switching between your terminal and a web browser. That is where Warp comes in. Warp is a modern, GPU-accelerated terminal built from the ground up to bring the command line experience directly into the modern era. At its core, Warp fundamentally rethinks how you interact with command line interfaces by replacing the traditional prompt with an actual text editor. In a standard terminal, if you make a typo near the beginning of a long command, you have to hold down arrow keys or learn complex keyboard shortcuts just to move your cursor back. In Warp, the input prompt works just like VS Code or Sublime Text. You can click anywhere with your mouse, highlight words, copy and paste seamlessly, and use standard cursor navigation shortcuts. This simple design choice eliminates a massive amount of small, daily frustrations that developers have accepted for decades. Beyond text editing, Warp reorganizes how terminal output is displayed. Traditional terminals treat output as a continuous stream of raw text, making it painful to scroll back and locate where a command started or where an error occurred. Warp solves this by organizing every command and its corresponding output into discrete visual blocks. Each block acts as an isolated container. You can select a single block, copy just its output, clear it, or even generate a direct link to share that exact execution log with a teammate. This block-based system makes reading long build logs, test runs, or server outputs vastly clearer and more manageable. Productivity in the terminal relies heavily on speed, and Warp addresses this with intelligent auto-suggestions and history search. As you type, Warp analyzes your historical command usage, Active Directory context, and shell environment to offer accurate, inline completions. Instead of constantly typing history commands or searching through fuzzy finders, a single press of the right arrow key lets you execute long, complex flags effortlessly. One of the defining aspects of Warp is its deeply integrated artificial intelligence. Rather than forcing you to open a browser and search through stack sites when you forget a specific command or flag, Warp brings AI natively into your terminal workflow. By pressing a shortcut or invoking the prompt, you can describe what you want to achieve in plain conversational language. The AI translates your request into the precise terminal command required for your operating system and environment. Furthermore, when a command fails or outputs an error trace, you can pass the error directly to the terminal's built-in AI to explain what went wrong and suggest an immediate fix. For team environments and developer collaboration, Warp introduces features that go far beyond individual productivity. It includes Warp Drive, a secure space where you can save, categorize, and share terminal workflows, aliases, and custom scripts across your team. Instead of burying setup instructions or deployment commands inside outdated README files that team members have to manually copy and paste, Warp Drive keeps shared commands accessible right inside the terminal interface. Teams can standardize their workflows, ensure environment consistency, and onboard new developers much faster. Performance and design were key priorities in Warp's architecture. Because it is written natively in Rust and leverages GPU acceleration, rendering remains silky smooth even when tailing massive log files or running high-throughput processes. It avoids the performance bottlenecks and latency issues common to web-based or Electron-based developer tools. Customization is also built into the experience, offering modern themes, customizable key bindings, prompt customization, and full compatibility with popular shells like ZSH, Bash, and Fish, ensuring that your existing configurations and plugins transition without friction. Warp is fully cross-platform, offering native performance across macOS, Linux, and Windows. This ensures a consistent terminal environment regardless of your primary operating system or hardware setup. Whether you are an individual developer managing local projects or part of a large engineering team coordinating cloud infrastructure, Warp replaces an outdated tool with a modern, fast, and intelligent platform built specifically for contemporary software development. If you need any specific adjustments to the focus areas, tone, or depth of coverage for this script,